Welcome back to my channel. Today we are making tomato paste, homemade tomato paste. We need tomatoes. You can use fresh tomatoes, but I'm using frozen tomatoes. These tomatoes have been cleaned and washed thoroughly before I freeze them. So I'm going to cut these tomatoes first. If you're using fresh tomatoes, you can deseed the tomatoes, like you remove the seeds inside. And since I'm using frozen tomatoes, I really do not want to go through that stress. So I'm going to cut my tomatoes like this into 4 pieces or so before I boil them. And I'm going to boil them without water because it has already been frozen. Even if you're using fresh tomatoes, I do not advise to use water to boil because tomato itself is water. So you just have to boil on a low heat and the water will come out. You boil this, you start counting the time from when it started boiling. You can boil this for like 10 to 15 minutes. When it's like this, it is already soft and ready to blend. I'm going to sieve the water out first before blending. You can let it cool before you blend, but because I'm filming, I blended mine immediately. I sieved the water, then transferred to my blender. This is what I'm doing here. I'm transferring to my blender. Thank you for watching my videos, guys. If you watched up to this stage, please do not forget to like my video. Then you now pour the blended tomatoes in your pot and add, this is beetroot juice. I just blended it and sieve it. This is the juice. I added it like this to give it a color. You can see that my tomatoes are not red, so they kind of look unripe. So that's why I'm using this beetroot juice to give it the nice color. Beetroots are very healthy, so there is no problem. So you give it a mix till it's well combined on a low heat or medium low heat rather. Then you keep stirring. I added white vinegar to mine. It is optional, it is not compulsory. I just like the tangy taste it gives. And I also added salt to mine. The list of ingredients and measurements will be in the description box, so you can reduce or increase your own recipe when you're making yours. So you continue stirring on medium low heat till the water dries up, because we are making tomato paste now, so it has to dry and thicken. Look at it here. You cannot just let it go. You have to, it has already started thickening here. It's looking like tomato paste already. So now it is done. I don't even know the number. I cannot even remember how long it took me, but this is the finished product. You can see it tastes really nice. I used it immediately. I used it to make ketchup and sweet chili sauce. The water I sieved from the tomato, I did throw it away. I used it to make ketchup and sweet chili sauce. I'll drop the link of the videos up here so that you can watch how I made my ketchup and sweet chili sauce. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.